In this video from Device Doctor, when the maintenance box reaches its limit, you may see the message, "Maintenance box is nearing end of its service life" on the screen. In this video, we will clearly show you the correct solution.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
This is the Epson WorkForce 7845. In this video, we will focus on an important maintenance issue and its solution. You can see that the service box is almost full and will reach its limit very soon. At this stage, the printer must either be reset or the service box needs to be replaced or converted. You can see that the printer service box is completely filled with ink, and there has even been some ink leakage. You should always pay close attention to the service box to prevent ink from leaking inside the printer, because this can easily cause a short circuit and serious damage. If you print a lot, the service box should be cleaned or replaced every few months. Now we are going to replace the old service box with the new one we have purchased. You can easily order this service box using the specific code C9345 from online stores such as Alibaba or Amazon at a reasonable price. This service box is compatible with many Epson printer models, and one of those models is this printer. The online purchase links for this service box are available in the video description, so you can use them if you like. If you do not have access to online stores, it is better to buy it from local shops that sell Epson printer parts. Of course, you must also make sure that the service box has a chip, because without the chip it will not work at all. Of course, you must also make sure that the service box has a chip, because without the chip it will not work at all. As you can see, the printer has recognized the service box successfully, and the service counter has been reset. You can continue using this service box normally until it becomes full again. Of course, the best and most cost-effective method is to use a chip resetter. You can watch the related video, which is now appearing on your screen, to see how it works.